Just the good old days when auditing started. The best you ever saw, always in trouble with the law since the day they was born. What's up, everybody? Here is a classic auditing video from way back in the day when they still used terrorism and every other cop-splaining excuse. This is basically around the time auditing got started, or maybe a year or two in, but these guys are fantastic. They're just walking down the sidewalk, and here comes a cop, and immediately, because the auditor wouldn't answer his question, he feels like he gets to put his hands on him and go hands-on, and then they use terrorism as an excuse. This is a classic, and boy, have things changed since then. My name's John. I've been doing this for 15 years. Thank you for all the support. Please consider joining for 99 cents a month. You get to see everything early. And there's also members-only videos that no one else can see. Appreciate you. Here we go.
Okay. Well, it's probably recording, but yeah. Oh wait, hold on. Stay on the line. Hello. What's going on, guys? Hello. 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 Talking to you.
Have a seat because I asked you to. He's forcing another one of the people they're auditing to sit on the ground. And this kid doesn't take well to that. And back then they couldn't stand being ignored. They still can't stand being ignored, but back then they would just start assaulting you like this in this video.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Why?
Because I asked you to.
Okay, please don't touch me.
I asked you to have a seat.
Please don't touch me, sir.
I asked you to have a seat. Please have a seat.
Are you stopping me for some
Yes,
reason?
I am.
For what reason?
Because you guys are photographing the police department.
I'm stopping you because you're exercising the rights that I swore to protect.
Is that a crime?
I want to find out what's going on.
Okay,
Please get
so
that out
why
of
are
my
you
face.
why are you detaining me? Well, please stop touching my arm.
Okay, I asked you to have
Right
a seat.
now, you're assaulting me.
I'm not assaulting you.
You are assaulting me.
He's absolutely assaulting him. If someone were to do this to him, they would get thrown under the jail. Aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer. But if the law enforcement officer who swore to protect this kid's rights instead assaults him, oh, I just want to know what's going on. That's why I'm assaulting you. They think the rules don't apply to them because they're the sovereign citizens.
Touching my arm, and you're not allowed to.
Please have a seat.
Why are you assaulting me right now?
Please have a seat.
Why are you assaulting me right now? Why are you assaulting me right now? What is your name?
I'm asking you to have a seat.
I'm asking you for your name. Please get your hand off of me.
Sir.
Right now, this is assault.
I've asked you to stop several times. You can be arrested right now.
He does not have to stop just because you ask him, moron. Again, this is when auditing started. This is when no cop had any idea of any law whatsoever. They thought suspicion in and of itself, if they thought anything at all was suspicious, that they can come detain you and go hands-on.
Right now, I'm being assaulted.
Can we talk? You're not being assaulted.
We can absolutely talk.
He is being assaulted.
As soon as I am not being assaulted by this man, please tell him to get his hand off of me.
Listen to me.
I would be happy.
Listen to me first.
Am I free to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
You are not free to go. You're being detained. This officer's giving you a lawful command. Please, just listen.
It is not a lawful command. You guys must remember this, idiot.
What's the big deal?
What's the big deal of you impeding my freedom, falsely imprisoning me? What's the big deal? Let's do it to you. If we did all that, if we surrounded all of you and forced you to sit down and we put our hands on you and then we said, hey, what's the big deal? What would your answer be? It would probably be like, oh, because you're not a cop. Because you're not a sovereign citizen like us.
This is also being videoed, so please.
Yeah, he said we're not free to go.
Please listen to his
Please
command.
do not touch me.
Okay, sir.
Are you making?
Sir, you're being detained, and I'm not sure why yet.
Okay, I don't know
Now there's two people assaulting him.
why
He's
either.
giving you a lawful command. He's detaining you. So
Are you
please.
making a legal determination that you have the authority to do this
Sir,
right now?
Sir, I'm asking you politely to please comply.
I'm asking you politely while my co-worker is literally assaulting you.
Why am I being forced to comply? I'm on a public
You're being
sidewalk.
detained.
Okay. Do
This
you have
officer
any
has
of what
given
you call probable cause?
Hey, Tom. Tom.
Yes.
Do you want this guy sitting down? Okay. Sir, you are
What
being
is-
detained. I don't know. Let's figure that out.
Is there
later.
any probable
You
cause?
are being given a command, a lawful command to comply. So,
And
It is not lawful.
what is your evidence of jurisdiction to give me a
Sir.
lawful order?
sir, You're being
Are
detained.
people not allowed to be on this? Please do not touch me.
Come on.
I will sit down.
Come on, just let me assault you. Just let me assault you. Come on. Just let me take you against your will. When I say that cops have the RAPIST mentality, this is what I'm talking about. Just let me assault you. I would never let anyone do this to me, and I would charge them, I would stack 20 felonies on top of their head and ruin their whole life. But when we do this to you, come on, man. Just let us RAPE you. Come on, bro.
Then
If
sit
you
down.
get your hand off of me.
You haven't sat down yet.
Stop
Get the
it.
camera out of my face and sit down.
Stop assaulting me.
Sit down.
Stop assaulting me. Stop
How you doing,
assaulting
sir?
me.
Can I
I was
talk?
fine until
Can I talk?
no. I would like you to not
Hold on.
touch me.
We'll talk over here.
Okay. I would like to not be assaulted.
We'd feel safer if he stayed with us.
I want to know.
Okay, that's fine.
He's clearly
I want to
not
know
safe for
first
any
off.
guys.
Yes.
Why are you telling me that I'm not free to go? Hold on.
I'm sorry. Let me interrupt real quick. Go ahead. Talk to me.
I want to know why are you telling me that I am not free to go?
Sir.
What is your supposed probable cause? And are you making a legal determination that you have the jurisdiction to order me to do something?
Sir, the problem we have is that we have suspicious circumstances where we got people, recording vehicles in our parking lot. So
Suspicious circumstances. So you're engaged in your constitutional rights that we swore to protect. That's why we're assaulting you and falsely imprisoning you.
it is all we want to know is find out, what's going on here and what your purpose is. That's all it is.
My purpose is to
And if
photograph
you,
you.
and if you don't want to sit down, you don't have to sit down.
Okay, great. So I want to know why I'm being assaulted and threatened by people.
No, you're not being assaulted.
No, I have been assaulted twice, and I'm going to let you know that your police training, your so-called training, should prevent you from assaulting people who are not being accused of a crime.
So, like I said, the only concern we have is that
So here's their famous tactic. Just not one cop is willing to obey the law and honor their oath. Instead, they all fall on the blue line and surround their victims. They're all trained with the RAPIST mentality. They all have it. Do what I say or else I'm going to force you to do what I say. And regardless if it's legal or not, I'm going to force you to do it and then gaslight you, my victim, and blame it on you.
it's kind of suspicious, kind of odd.
I'm sorry, what was
walking up to our police department and directly up to our gate and taking video and pictures of our vehicles, our equipment, and our police department in general.
I understand that-
it is not against the law.
I understand that it may be
Oh, it's not against the law, so you had no right to put your hands on anybody or to force anybody to do anything. And you even said earlier you don't have to sit down if you don't want to. Then why did you force him over there? Why did you assault him? Why did you batter him? If it's not against the law and he doesn't have to sit down, then why is he being detained? And you can see this smug prick right here. He's figuring out that, oh man, we're not doing anything legal. He's trying to figure out a way out of this. And wait till you see how he figures his way out of this.
usual.
Yes.
Okay. However, that is not my concern.
Right.
My concern is merely to go about my business, and I am not here to answer questions.
Okay.
I am not being detained under any supposed
Exactly.
law that is being broken.
And all I want to
so,
do is talk to you about what's going on. That's all it is, sir.
okay. Well, all I want to do.
You're not
We don't have to talk to you.
in trouble or anything like that, but
Well, all I wanna
just
do-
want to make sure that there is no. If you have any concerns, I also want to make sure that we're going to be safe. That's
Well,
all we're here
my
for.
concern is that you have two officers that assaulted me.
Sir, we also have the right.
Look how stupid the original assaulter looks now. Look at him. This is the boomers of the group here. These guys, before cameras were around, they just ruined lives. You could tell. Just look at these pigs. You could just tell that they're ultimate swine. And now that cameras are involved, they can't do the things they used to do.
You don't have the right to assault me,
Do you mind if I can see your ID?
sir. I'm not here to answer any questions. I'm not
Okay.
going to testify.
Okay. All right. Hold on.
Is he coming?
Yeah, he's on his way. Yep, we should be seeing Bob in a minute.
Boy, that detective's really putting in some work, taking pictures. I mean, you couldn't have taken any pictures without assaulting them and falsely imprisoning them, could you?
Yeah, well, we got one. I'm on the phone with you. Yeah. Okay.
What are we going to do, man? They really didn't break any laws, and we did assault them, and we can't force them to ID. I mean, they have cameras now. We can't just operate like we have been for the past 3 decades when there wasn't cameras in everybody's pocket. I mean, what are we supposed to do here?
T-Pain is the man who assaulted me.
We're allowed to film in public, aren't we?
This man also assaulted me.
What is your name?
Bishop.
Bishop.
Bishop? Did Bishop assault you?
Yes.
Are you guys recording with your body cam? Great. How do you get it over that footage?
Yeah, it's all good.
Public records request?
I don't know. Taking out by the police department? I will say yes.
Dr. Phil's gotta figure out how to turn on his body camera.
Hello. My name's Sergeant Klug. Can I talk to you real quick without a camera in my face, please?
No, you can't. And it's not in your face. Your face walked up to my camera, stupid. Stand back if you don't want the camera in your face or that close to your face. You're the one that closed the distance.
The camera will be
Please,
staying on.
You can keep it on. I don't care. Just not right up in my face. What's your first name?
I'm not here to answer questions, sir.
Okay. Well, you're free to go at this point.
Thank you.
I apologize if you feel that you were treated improperly, but
I apologize that we committed crimes against you.
my officers do have a duty to do their job and to find out what's going on. So there's
Their job is to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution, not assault people engaged in the rights that you swore to protect. You scumbag, old boomer, Dr. Phil looking swine. This is swine right here.
terrorism in the country right now.
Oh, the good old terrorism excuse. I wonder why they stopped saying that. In this day and age, with all the terrorism, dude, you're 8 times more likely to be unalived by a cop than any terrorist in this country. By the way, there's a terrorist military that actually trains our cops. By the way.
We're concerned with. We don't know that you're involved with terrorism, so that's why we contacted you.
We also don't know that you're not involved with terrorism or child enthusiast or watch Dr. Phil and try to emulate his look.
I had a chat with you.
Okay, I would like to know why
Senator
this person assaulted me.
I have no idea.
Well, will you ask
Possibly
him?
because you weren't being cooperative, and we have a right to detain.
Oh, we assaulted you because you're not being cooperative when you don't have to be. And we have the right to assault you. No, you don't, stupid. Look at that stupid face. Look at that disgusting, stupid face of his.
People, when we see suspicious circumstances, we deemed this suspicious circumstances. You were detained, so it's a legal detention. If you don't think it was legal detention, feel free to get an attorney and talk to him.
Well,
And there's their ace in the hole. Get an attorney. Most attorneys, first of all, you won't be able to find an attorney that does civil rights, especially back then. And if you want an attorney to fight against the police, you have to find a specialized one that wants like $20,000 up front. It's all a game, and you're not part of it. You get it? They have the monopoly on violence. They have the monopoly on, they have all the taxpayer money to afford their own lawyers. They are a criminal terrorist gang that roam the streets of America, and they're trained by a terrorist foreign military.
I want to ask you, are your officers making legal determinations in the field that they have the authority to order people?
Absolutely.
Okay, and
Absolutely.
how are they able to make that legal determination? Are they using factual evidence?
Years of training.
No, I'm asking you,
Talk to your attorney.
Are they using, I want to know, are these people
Talk to your attorney, because I know I can't answer these questions properly, and I'm only going to dig a bigger hole for myself and look like a bigger dummy.
using,
I'm not gonna answer you.
are
Talk
these
to your
people,
attorney. You're not going to talk to me. I don't have to talk to you.
I'm talking to you right now, and I'm
You won't
asking
give
you a
me your
question. Well, you just had this person assault me, so I'm trying
No, I
to.
didn't. I
This
wasn't here.
is now a part of my investigation.
Okay.
So I would
That's an
like
attorney.
to know.
Okay, well,
This
we're
has
done,
nothing to
and
do
we're
with an
leaving,
attorney.
so you have yourself a nice day.
Well, I would like to know why this
Okay.
man assaulted me.
And there you go. Go 10-8, guys. We've committed our crimes. We falsely imprisoned. We assaulted people for engaged in the acts we swore to protect. We never take accountability. We lie straight through our teeth. We don't know any laws whatsoever. We don't honor our oath. Now, everybody, take off as fast as you can, like the cockroaches that you are.
Business cards. Names, please.
Don't
What about your coworkers there? Did they not hear me clearly?
don't be assaulting people.
So, how much money is stolen to pay for these vehicles? More than
And there you go, guys. That's how police used to operate, and they've gotten a little bit better since auditing started. Not much better, but this was policing in America before cameras in broad daylight. They were way worse back then, believe me. I know people say we don't have any effect, but we have had an effect, and you can see it as the years go on. This was very early in auditing. So, thanks everybody. Please consider joining 99 cents a month. YouTube be hating on me for some reason. I'm too controversial. And yeah, John's Coin Rings on Etsy. And that's it. Everybody Have a good day, and may the force be with you, and Godspeed in all your endeavors. See you. Bye.